Hi, I'm Emily here at horticulture.co.uk, and in today's short video I'll show you how to sow Godetia. Godetia flowers, also frequently called farewell to spring flowers, are a species of the Clarkia genus and make beautiful additions to hanging baskets and country gardens. Godetia plants grow to around 40 centimetres high and come in shades of pink to white. How to grow. Godetia is a hardy annual, so you can sow them direct 6 weeks before the last frost, or sow them in autumn and overwinter in a greenhouse or cold frame. Godetia will need to be planted in full sun, otherwise it grows too slowly to flower. It likes moist, well-draining soil and will need a good scoop of compost mixed in before planting out in its final pot or border. Equipment: seeds, a water tray, pots or a seed tray, and compost. Sowing. For direct sowing in spring, clear the sunny area of weeds and any grass and add a generous amount of compost. Gently rake the soil surface so it's loose, then scatter the seeds and water the area well. Keep watered until the plants are established. For autumn sowing, fill your pots or seed tray with compost and scatter a few seeds in each. Do not cover the tray as Godetia needs light to germinate. Add your pots or seed tray to a water bath or water tray and allow the water to soak up through the bottom. I place my Godetia seed tray in a greenhouse over winter. You can also use a cold frame or porch as they're a hardy annual. You should see your Godetia germinate in 2 to 3 weeks. Care. Godetia is a fuss-free plant and will grow slowly over winter, but the plants will be a good size and ready to be planted out at the start of spring. Keep your seedling tray well watered throughout the winter months by topping up the water tray from below. They don't take well to being transplanted, so take care not to disturb the roots too much when planting out in their final position.